two of the 4 chicks are now trying to fledge. One of them has managed to find its way on top of the outdoor nest box there. I think that one's the oldest. The other one is down, or was down on the step. Oh, there we are. Down there on the step. That is the mother. No tag on the leg, so that's Beryl. It's interesting to see that she's taking more interest in these next chicks than she did her others, which she abandoned. Or rather, her one chick, which she abandoned before. I don't know if Samuel's the father or not. Don't know at the moment. She's now gone to see her other one. The idea is that she takes these two back to the nest. That's the idea. But sometimes they don't fledge in the same day, and when it gets dark, if they're still out here, I'll have to actually manually pick them up and put them back in the nest. And then the next day, they'll try again. Was interesting to see Ollie on the top here, because these are either siblings or step siblings of Ollie, depending on who the father is of this second clutch, which I don't know at the moment. Who's that? That looks like Lammas to me. Which is interesting because Flo and Lammas are also raising a chick in that nest box there, which might explain why Flo this time has had to actually deal with the child. Yeah. So we've got Flo and Beryl with 4. And Flo and Lammas with 1, and then, sorry, Beryl and Lammas with 4, Flo and Lammas with 1, Beryl and Samuel with 1 that's already fledged, and Brinton and Damasio with 1 that's already fledged. Not going to have much luck with this one down here, I don't think. I think that one may have followed the other one out of the nest and is now at a loss at what to do. Oh, there she is. She's made it to the rail. She's made it to the rail. She looks very much like Holly, that's Holly. You see now why I try and band them as soon as I can, so that I can tell the difference. This one will probably fledge tonight, but the one at the bottom, oh, maybe, we've got progress. We've got progress. But you see, that is not Lammas. So, I don't think Lammas is the father. That's Martin. It's difficult to tell. I think Lammas might be just guarding his own nest. Difficult to tell. Still not quite sure who the father is of those 4 then. Beryl's still down there now, trying to call for her baby that's fluttered down to the bottom. Brincer. And Lammas on the side there. Brincer's already raised one to maturity, which is brilliant. There's Ollie. So it's wait and see now as to whether they make it back, or whether I have to come out here later and sort them all out.